अरे बाप रे।
बिल्कुल राइट से शुरुआत कीजिएगा आगे। आपके बोली इधर भी है।
यस मैम, आपकी इधर।
इधर जाओ, कहाँ खड़ी हो? हाँ यहाँ। हम इधर से राइट से। हाँ बस बस। हाँ माशाल्लाह क्या लग रहे हैं आप बताइए।
यस मैम, आपकी फोटो इधर है सर।
अब धीरे-धीरे टर्न हो जाएगी।
मैम सामने।
शुक्रिया शुक्रिया।
बर्गर मंगेश दादा हो इकडे देणार आहे. हां मैम कमिंग कटिना जी यहाँ पे देखिए जी. कटिना जी रुकिए. कटिना हो
आ रहे वापस आ रहे।
अवार्ड आजकल साथ रहने के लिए अवार्ड मिल जाता है और अली अब मुझे एक साथ रहने का अवार्ड मिला है। ब्यूटीफुल कपल अवार्ड। Yeah, he wants to know why we won the award.
हाँ
जी जी।
Wow, that's not one thing. There's so many things, so many things. I'm just really happy that it all sums up in one award.
Yeah.
It's usually not that easy to sum things up like this.
We are best friends actually. Who fell in love. That's what's nice about it. आप तो बच्चों का स्कूल भी पूछ रहे हैं। हम निकले क्या 11 बज गए।
अच्छा नहीं we talk about both of your films also.
Yes.
The news is everywhere and it's very important how big the role is. कुछ आप हमें अपनी
Oh yeah. We started filming for Shakila. I finished one schedule और मैं आज दोपहर को आई हूँ 2 बजे. And Ali's been shooting for Prasthanam and Milan Talkies.
Yeah. Well, that's about it actually.
अल्लाह मालिक है. मुझे बाद में पता चलेगा. I don't know. I'm doing my best. It's not easy to be, doing this part, but I'm doing my best.
I mean, it's a true life story. I think
It's a real story, so biopics are always hard.
जी बस मिलन टॉकीज है दिग्मांशु धूलिया की फिल्म है. अभी उसके 10 दिन रह गए हैं शूट के, तो मैं इसीलिए वापस आया हूँ बॉम्बे कंप्लीट करने. एंड या आई वाज शूटिंग फॉर प्रस्थानम.
नींद नहीं आ रही आपको? हम जाएं?
एक चीज़ और थी आपकी बातें हमेशा लोगों को प्रभाव डालती हैं और आपके विचार भी बहुत प्रभावशाली रहते हैं. ये कुछ ऐसा चल रहा है किकी चैलेंज.
मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी, मैं 2 हफ्ते से जंगल में थी, वहाँ नेटवर्क नहीं था, तो ये क्या है मुझे नहीं पता. मैं अपने आप को इससे अक्वेंट करके दोबारा जवाब देना चाहूँगी. मुझे बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं है.
एक ऐसा पता नहीं वीडियो वगैरह लोग बनाते हैं जिसमें चलती गाड़ी से उतरते हैं और डांस करते हैं. ऐसा करते हैं लोग.
देखिए बॉम्बे में इतना ट्रैफिक होता है, कोई चलती गाड़ी से उतरेगा तो भी आराम से उतर के पूरा बूगी करके डांस कर सकता है, कोई टेंशन नहीं है.
और ये काफी खतरनाक हो सकता है अगर बच्चे
जी हाँ, बेवकूफ़ी है. पर कोई बात नहीं, मस्ती है, देखते हैं. एज लॉन्ग एज नो वन गेट्स हर्ट. या
पुलिस वगैरह भी काफी एहतियात बदल रही है, लोगों को कह रही है और आप जैसे लोग इनकी बातें लोग इतनी शिद्दत से लेते हैं तो उनका कहना बहुत ये होगा कि अगर आप भी ये करें अभी कि भाई लोग
आप मत करिए बस, मुझको पता नहीं क्या है ये. आप कीकी मत करिए, ओके? कीकी.
I don't know, I've never heard.
I've never heard. हम लोग थे नहीं एक्चुअली यहाँ पे। गुड नाइट।
के साथ पिक्चर
आपकी उठती है मैम, मोबाइल यहाँ पे रख दीजिए, मोबाइल अच्छी हुई है।
अच्छा नहीं है, बहुत अच्छा है उसका कवर। थैंक्स।
एक स्टेप इधर आइए, थोड़ा सा उधर आइए। ये परफेक्ट पोजीशन है। कैमरा में
फोटो खान साहब, अरे वापस आ रहे। कैमरा छोड़ दिया।
Yes. Hello. We are very excited and happy to be here together and happy to be in the city at around the same time. Who are you wearing, baby?
I don't know. What am I wearing? I don't know. But my Isha is my designer. She's the one who dresses me. Today I'm totally black. Just landed this morning.
Well, he looks great.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing Alice and Olivia. We are both really busy. You want to go first?
I'm working on Prasthanam with Sanjay Dutt and myself. I've just been shooting that. That's it. Yeah.
I'm working on Inside Edge and Shakila. Thanks.
I'm coming for the Work Awards for the first time and I'm really excited to be here. I'm wearing a Gucci dress. It's one of my favorite Gucci dresses and I'm wearing Valentino shoes with it. Thank you. 1 minute.
सही है सही है अवार्ड के साथ
राज थोड़ा सा आगे
ठीक है बस यहाँ पे
राइट राइट
राइट साइड में यहाँ पे आपके राइट में क्लियर है सर इधर इधर यहाँ पे and look here राजकुमार जी आप ये थैंक यू गाइस
स्क्रीनिंग का है कल प्रीमियर में
मैं आपको फोन करता हूँ 3 बजे के आसपास आप सोएंगे तो नहीं सोते ही हैं आज नहीं सुपर साउंड
सनी सुपर साउंड ठीक है
जू वाला
हां
That's it. Moving forward. Hi. Anjum from Woke. Can I get a big picture of you? Yes. Can you actually take a photo of my Becky, Sharia.
एक्सक्यूज मी यहाँ पे
I'm Jung from the Vogue team, so nice to meet you. Yeah. Who are you wearing? Oh, I get off an I'd like a picture with picture with you. Yeah, let's do it. Where would you like it? That's me here? Shit, sorry, so sorry. Sorry.
Because then I can post it. But I don't know, so I don't know if the lighting is that proper. But I never know if the lighting is that properly, but we can try.
Well, I've judged the Vogue Beauty Awards. I'm hosting it this year and I'm really looking forward to the evening. Some very special people are going to receive felicitations from Vogue tonight and I think it's going to be a truly beautiful night. I'm very Nikhil Thampi and what I really love about the gown is that it's made by a fabric called Liva, which is a sustainable fabric made with eco-friendly practices, and I think it's beautiful. I think the most beautiful people are people who have positive thoughts and actions. I really believe in beauty is what beauty does. I think that fashion is transient, style is eternal, and I feel that Vogue has always celebrated style, and I think what fashion trends represent is people's mindsets, feelings, socio-political environments. You know, if you notice, the trend of colors is usually connected to seasons, it's connected to what the world is feeling. So it's very interesting to follow fashion trends and learn about them. There's lots of exciting work happening. I'm very happy and very excited about the incredible love Sanju has received, and all of us who are a part of the film are overjoyed and grateful for the audience's love. Well, more exciting work, hopefully more exciting scripts. लेकिन मैंने प्रमोशंस के टाइम भी यही कहा था कि मैं वही काम करूँगी जिसे मैं दिल से मानती हूँ और जिसको सुन के, जिसके स्टोरीज और स्क्रिप्ट्स को सुन के मेरा दिल खुश होता है. Thank you. Thank you. Run away. Go away. It's like an army following. Hi, good evening. I am very excited. This is my first ever Vogue Beauty Awards.
I just think it's what you are and it's your comfort. It is exactly what I think about fashion, and beauty is also what you are. It's your skin. I'm very excited, but it's just like 3, 2, 1, so nerves are now just creeping in, but very, very excited. I think there have been a little more changes since the last time I saw it, so I'm very excited to watch it. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hello, how are you? How are you? Hi. Hi, how are you? Very excited. Well, you know, Vogue is really, you know, the definition for all of us of fashion and beauty, and you know, today we're here, so I'm sure it's going to be very a lot of fun. Well, माहौल I think yes हमारे लिए तो काफ़ी टाइम से माहौल रहा ही है, even while we were shooting और शूट के बाद भी, और कल मैंने ट्रेलर देखा है, ट्रेलर लॉन्च है परसों, so I'm really looking forward to it and I'm very excited. जी वो आप मुझसे यहाँ नहीं करवा सकते हैं of course. Yeah, I think जो लोग भी कर रहे हैं, they should be very, very careful about it and be responsible about it. I think it's a little dangerous. It looks very nice when people do it, but I do think that you know, challenges भी मतलब एक there's a line that needs to be drawn there. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Great. Hi. How are you? Thanks. I'm feeling very, very fashionable today. Wear whatever you like, be comfortable in what you wear. I'm wearing Ishani Jaiswal and Meenawala jewelries. Yeah? Always be fashionable and Vogue. Yeah. Oh, okay. हाँ जी मैं ही हूँ. You'll have to wait and watch. Again, you'll have to wait and watch. Let's hope so. I don't know if there's something exciting. Why not? That'd be great. I think. Thank you. Bye.
One more center. And your right side.
my first time here.
बट आपने कवर भी था ना इनके साथ?
जी कवर था लेकिन रेड कार्पेट और अवार्ड शो नहीं था. This is my first solo red carpet award show.
Must be a special feeling.
Yeah, it is special. It's a little weird too. I'm so used to accompanying mom and dad to these things. I always have their hand to hold. So now I don't know whose hand to hold. I'm a little nervous.
Who are you wearing today?
I'm wearing Ralph and Russo. My sister Ria Didi has styled me.
What's your secret style statement?
My secret style statement. I don't have a style statement. My secret style statement is nothing. Just be comfortable, be happy. Beauty statement, just put as much food as you can on your face. It's good for your skin.
Javi, you are actually like that. What next now?
Secret. I can't tell.
Anything?
No, you'll know. I feel like I'm not at liberty to say anything yet, but hopefully soon. I'm dying to work, but hopefully soon.
Apart from being actors, there are lots of actresses who are known for their fashion style and they are known as icon. Sonam also being one of them. Would you also aspire to be in fashion equally at greater heights in fashion, fashion icon?
I don't think anyone can touch Sonam Didi in terms of fashion, but you know, I personally love getting ready and I take a personal interest in what I wear because I enjoy getting ready so much. But I don't think anyone can try to be a fashion icon. I think that you know, as long as you enjoy yourself and people enjoy looking at you when you get ready, that's all that matters.
Done, thank you. Done, come.
Thank you.
Done, thank you. Come.
Hey, Javi, after this book, just want to get a quick picture. It's very interesting.
Come on.
Hello. Thank you. Asha, thank you. Thank you. I think everybody is pretty wise for themselves in today's time. क्योंकि the whole entire world has come to almost on your palm. So you have beauty hacks, you have everything for every solution is there for every kind of problem. So I don't know technically what should I say. What I just like to say that be comfortable, whatever you want to wear, whatever you believe in, and be happy. I think that's the most important thing. That's Batigul, Meter Chalu, and Uri, of course. Yes, she's signed. She's already done with one schedule of Battle of Saragadi with Rajkumar Santoshi, and I'm very excited for her. This film is still is in progress of shooting, so there's still some time to go for that. But yeah, she's wrapped it up, and she's really happy, and I'm really like. नहीं आज नहीं आई हूँ, but I'll say a hi to her. Thank you. Incident happening तो आप बना you know, honestly, if it's a I've never believed in commenting on anybody's personal life, but for everyone, if there's something special happening in their life, any occasion, obviously all the best to them. But personally, वो आप सब करते हैं, वो ये happening incident क्या? Thank you.
long. I think this is probably the first Vogue Beauty Awards that I'm attending. It is very special. I mean, it's Vogue after all, you know. It's probably the biggest that it gets here. So yeah, I'm very, very excited. I think it's black and gold is the theme. So you will see a lot of black beauties here and it's lovely. Yeah, it's a great evening. It's Port. It's a British brand. So that's what I'm wearing. Thank you. Oh, hi. Happy evening to you. No, I just think it's the Beauty Awards. Let's celebrate beauty in all forms. And I think it's not important to be perfect, but it's important to be confident of who you are. And I think that's actually beautiful. So be confident of who you are, and that's probably the most beautiful thing. Thank you.
हेलो थैंक यू मैं बहुत कम बाहर जाती हूँ तो जब ऐसे फंक्शन के लिए निकलती हूँ तो अच्छा ही लगता है। आप सबसे मुलाकात होती है, इंडस्ट्री के दूसरे दोस्तों से भी मुलाकात होती है, अच्छा लगता है। हाय, हाउ आर यू? जी बिल्कुल, नहीं वही मैं इनसे कह रही थी कि मैं बहुत कम बाहर निकलती हूँ क्योंकि एक्चुअली प्रमोशंस के वक्त इतना बाहर निकलती हूँ कि उसके बाद लगता है कि मैं छुप जाऊँ थोड़े दिन के लिए। जी मेरी पहली तेलुगु फिल्म होगी NTR, जो कि NTR पे एक बायोपिक है और मैं उनकी पत्नी की भूमिका निभा रही हूँ। 5 दिन की शूटिंग हुई है अब तक एंड इट्स इंटरेस्टिंग। पता नहीं था कि मैं तेलुगु बोल पाऊँगी, किस तरह से बोल पाऊँगी, पर अब तक तो सब कुछ सही चल रहा है मेरे ख्याल से। वो तो नहीं पता, पर यहाँ आकर खुश हूँ बस। Firstly, thank you, but I think beauty is a very, 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 you know, big, large word for me. वो मेरे लिए एक सीमित नहीं है उसकी definition. I think I find beauty in things, in people, and all sorts of people, as in different looking people, and I think it's about who you are really. Yeah. आप मुझसे आके मिलिए। वो तो नहीं पता क्योंकि रिलीज कोई हो तभी तो अवार्ड्स के लिए मैं नॉमिनेट होंगी। There is a chance that happens. Anyway, I'll be there to cheer whoever is winning, whoever is nominated. Thank you.
Hello. Hi. Hi. How are you? Yes. 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 Well, obviously my expectation is that it's going to be a lovely night. We're going to enjoy ourselves. There'll be a lot of beautiful people in there. Any beauty advice? Very simple. You know, you do what you're comfortable with. I don't really advise people to follow the beauty trends. You should just follow what suits you, your skin tone and your facial features, because that's what I do. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, so I'm doing a role in the film Bharat. And my scenes will be opposite Salman Khan and Sunil Grover. And I'm playing a very interesting character. She's a Latina, Spanish, feisty girl from Malta. So it's going to be very different for me, at least. Yeah. Yeah. Not with me. No. She's not in the same scenes as me. But I mean, but she joined the film. Yeah, and it's amazing. It's great news, and I'm super excited. So it's going to be nice. Yeah. Oh God, yes. Yes. So Varun Sharma is a good friend, and we just finished shooting for a show together, and I really wanted to do the Kiki challenge in a very different way, in a comedy way, a little desi version of it. So I spoke to him about it, and he agreed to do it. So. I can't hear you. I don't get into that. I do whatever I want. but ours wasn't dangerous. I mean, the rickshaw was not even on. It was pushed by someone, so there was a funny take. But honestly, whatever. I mean, I'm not going to stop people from having fun, you know what I mean? Be safe, of course, but there's always different ways of doing stuff, and we were very safe when we did ours. So usually I do apply my own makeup, but when it's like events like this, I like to use my makeup artist, who's Zoya, and sometimes Marcelo or Flavia, because, you know, in front of the cameras, there's a specific way you put your makeup on. But on a daily basis, and when I'm just shooting or something like that, I like to do natural makeup. Thank you. Thank you. One beauty secret? I have many, but #1 tip for everybody is drink a lot of water. The more water you drink, the more hydrated your skin is, and it's best to get rid of pimples and marks and all that. Water. No, I didn't get a chance. I tried to reach out, but she was very busy. But she sent out a message saying that she really liked the song. You're welcome. Thank you.